For me, I'm about the ethicality of marketing. And so I don't like targeting. I don't like invading people's privacy, all those sides. I would rather just naively or whatever maintain a presence or whatever, whereby you can call upon us if you so need, and do that to the best of the ability. But I'm aware of naivety, that you can't just be the best in your little pool. You have to levitate yourself up and project yourself out. So the ways of doing that is through the marketing realms, the marketing medium. So for me, the challenge is about using AI to build management tools, agents, and like help for your business, and almost like coaches that can help you in each of your theaters or each of your realms, so that you can become a better manager. My objective is to not be involved in the business, and I think that is the objective of so many small business people. They know they have to be in there for what the times whereby somebody doesn't do what they're meant to do, or all of these moving parts of a small business. If as much of that can be automated and simplified and eliminate the human error aspect of it, all the better. And a prime example of that is the Search Scout technology that we've developed for Magento, which is basically, we've got thousands of products, and to be able to go in and find where the change you want to make and apply it, so that it can be passed on to the next one. And you think to yourself, well, there should be a spreadsheet. No, there's not. So you have to teach the AI agents to be able to fix that, and that is a management tool. So our challenge is to create the technologies or the softwares that make managers look good. Would that be right?
I'd agree.
Because that's the biggest link between us. You don't want to be a manager, do you?
No.
Your generation doesn't want to manage. You're going, God, there's all this more responsibility for not much more money. My generation goes, God, would you just let us have some peace? Right? Let us go on to something else. Implement what we know, just follow it. So that's the bridge between us. We're building a bridge between us. We're building what everybody wants, and we're using small business AI marketing technology to do that, to make all of us happy. That's why we're doing it in a nutshell. Would you agree?
No, I agree.
Absolutely.
Definitely so.
Sounds like a worthy challenge, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
How we're going to get there, how we're going to do it. That's why you keep on listening. Mwah.